Hi, my name is Carla Green, and I've been with Young Living for over 18 years. I've also been in clinical practice for over 37 years as a physiotherapist and a registered acupuncturist. I'm very passionate about supplements and helping people to find awesome supplements to help them support their health and wellness. Young Living supplements are completely unique. They are infused with essential oils and they use high quality nutrients. Today I'm going to talk to you about the supplement ICP. It's kind of a funny way to remember it, but I like to tell people when you see the letters ICP, think I see poop, because this is a supplement that helps to promote healthy bowel movements. It helps to add bulk and volume, and it helps to give you relief of constipation. It has antioxidant properties, and it's got essential fatty acids in it, and it helps to be a digestive aid, helps with you to have enzymes and that to help support the digestion of protein. What our job is in that area of our body is to push undigested waste out of our body and to absorb the nutrients into our body so that we can use those. This is a mix of colon cleansing fibers and essential oils that helps to decrease the buildup of waste in our colon, helps to increase the nutrient absorption, and helps us to also maintain a healthy heart. When you take ICP, it enhances your bowel function. Now, this is a supplement where you need to listen to your body, and I suggest that you start low and go slow. You might want to start with a lower dose than they actually suggest on the body. And drink lots and lots of water, because this is fiber. And when you drink the water, it bulks that fiber up, which is what shears and cleans out the colon and helps you to have a better, healthier bowel movement. So this also helps to cleanse your digestive system. And listen, folks, this is where the garbage goes out, and if there's little bits of garbage left behind and it sits there for a long time, it isn't really a good thing. You ever thought about, if your garbage bag leaks in your garbage container and you don't think about going back and sort of cleaning out that little extra that gets left behind? It's a hot mess really quickly. Think of that in your own body. You want to get a good cleansing action and really get all of the waste out of your body. So this has got psyllium in it, oat bran, flax and fennel seeds, and of course infused with essential oils. If you need extra support for the garbage system in your body, this is a great choice. Healthy, easy to take, and will support that system in your body.